This video is for you to understand why we took x-rays. We're going to have you understand that it's very necessary for us to have x-rays to be able to see what's going on in the body, so that we can see which bone is out of place, so we can determine how much damage is around that particular bone, how much nerve tissue is involved, and of course how long perhaps it may take for the body to be able to recover and overcome this problem. So as you look at this and you see that, if you look up here, you're going to see this bone moving in the neck, moving back and coming back on the spinal cord. And it'll have the same effect as if, in fact, we took a pair of pliers and squeezed on a rubber hose. You can see that the content coming through the hose would be reduced because we've compressed the hose. It's the same thing when the bone gets out of place. It squeezes on the nerve, therefore the nerve cannot conduct the message as it should from the brain into the body. When that happens, we have perhaps 70 trillion nerve fibers coming through from the base of the skull down through the first two bones of the neck. There are approximately 70 trillion tissue cells that make up your human body. All of your body composed of millions of trillions of cells. Each one of those cells has to be in communication with the brain. So we have the nerve system going down to tell the tissue cell what it needs or what it should do, in fact. And then the tissue cell is capable of sending a message back to the brain saying, I need this, I need that, or I'm in trouble, or whatever the case may be. The brain interprets that, sends another message down, and we have the tissue cell capable of changing its chemistry, changing its electricity, moving, excreting, secreting, doing whatever it takes for that cell to survive, because the message comes from the brain to the cell. Now, I want you to imagine this. If we were to press on the nerve significantly because there's a bone out of place,